have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Raksha Bandhan. Gattu was very excited today. He got ready in the morning wearing a kurta and dancing around and singing a song.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है. Tinky will be very happy today seeing my gift, and I will also get to eat very tasty sweets. It will be so much fun.
And while dancing with joy to get a Rakhi tied by his beloved sister Chinky, as soon as he reached the hall, Chinky was comfortably watching TV in the hall. Papa was reading the newspaper, and Mummy was preparing breakfast in the kitchen as usual.
What is this? Chinky is not even ready, and Papa is just sitting comfortably. And the smell of boring poha is coming from the kitchen too. Neither is Mummy making puris, nor is Chinky trying on her dress.
Seeing everyone sitting comfortably in the drawing room, Gattu hid his gift. Taking the remote from Chinky, he changed the channel.
What boring cartoon are you watching, Chinky? Let's watch some music channel. Gattu, I want to watch my favorite cartoon only.
Getting angry at Gattu, Chinky's eyes went on Gattu's kurta. And Chinky started laughing after seeing it.
Where are you going after dressing up so much, Gattu? Today Mummy has not even kept any puja in the house. Haha, today is the puja day only. Have you forgotten, Chinky?
But ignoring Gattu's words, Chinky started to get the remote from Gattu. What is happening? Gattu, behave yourself. Let Chinky watch her cartoon. When your turn comes, you can also watch it.
But Papa, today is not the day to watch TV.
Gattu, don't make stories. Just sit quietly. When Chinky's cartoon show comes to an end, you can watch your channel. Gattu again stomped his feet and sat angrily on the side. That's when Gattu got an idea.
Idea. Soon Mummy is going to remember what is it today. If I just give a hint, Mummy will remind everyone that today is Rakhi Day.
Thinking this, Gattu picked up a rope lying on the dining table and took it in his hands. And then, acting, he went to Mummy.
Mummy, please open this. I am not able to open its knot.
Hearing Gattu's words, Mummy looked towards Gattu and teasing him a bit, said to Gattu,
Hey, what have you done, Gattu? You always keep on doing some pranks. Who ties a rope on the wrist? Sorry, Mummy, you are right. There should not be a rope but a ra. Keep quiet. Don't make up stories. I will bring a scissors now.
Mummy did not let Gattu complete what he wanted to say and cut both his stock and the rope on the wrist. Gattu got worried again.
Now what should I do? This idea also failed. No one at home remembers what an important day it is today. Idea. Now it seems that I will have to call Monty and Bunty. They must have got the Rakhi tied by now. Seeing the Rakhi in their hands, everyone will surely remember what an important day it is.
Gattu called his friends at home by calling from his landline.
Hi Bunty, bring Monty and come to my house. We will play basketball in my garden because I am getting bored. Okay Gattu, I will bring Monty and come now.
In a little while, Monty and Bunty came to Gattu's house. And Gattu was surprised to see them both. Neither there was anything in their hands, nor there was a tilak on their forehead. Both of them were wearing normal clothes. Before Gattu could say anything, Monty and Bunty started making fun of Gattu.
If you play basketball in these clothes, Gattu, then the ball will never go in the basket. If you want to play, then go and change the clothes like we are wearing. It is good that you both came. Now take him to play so that I can watch my favorite cartoon comfortably. I don't want to play basketball. You guys go. I don't want to do anything. If you don't want to play, then why did you call us? We were having great time at our home eating sweets.
Saying this, Monty and Bunty also angrily left from there. And after hearing this talk of the kids, Papa finally left the newspaper. And he asked Gattu, Gattu, what happened? If you don't want to play with your friends, then why did you call them? This is not a good thing.
Papa, everyone is having sweets at their home. Tasty dishes are being made. But at our home, no one remembers anything.
Oh, so that is why you are so worried. Hey, listen, why are you preparing the same boring breakfast today? You also forgot, I also forgot. Today is... Hearing this from Papa's mouth, Gattu's eyes sparkled. And he felt that Papa finally remembered what today is. Today is the day to make Gattu's favorite breakfast. Do you remember that you had promised him that today you will make his favorite sweet?
Oh yes. Sorry Gattu, I completely forgot. I will make it in a little while.
Gattu dear, now make your mood better. Gattu was still not able to understand what to do. And then his eyes fell on the table and he saw Gattu and Chinky's old picture. Seeing it, he again got an idea.
Now this idea will surely remind everyone what day it is.
Gattu ran to his room and came back down with the old album.
Mummy, we will see these old photos while eating food. Then it will be more fun. Okay, Gattu beta. So nice that you have brought old album today. What has happened to you? Chinky, come here and see. This is the photo of last Diwali and I had taken this photo on last Holi. And this is the photo of Rakhi last year. See Chinky.
As Gattu showed the photo of the previous Rakhi, by then Chinky had left from there. And Gattu again sat there in sadness.
It seems that today the whole day will pass without tying the Rakhi.
After saying this, Gattu sat down in sadness. Then he heard a voice, hearing which a spark lit up in his eyes.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरा भैया है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है.
As Gattu raised his head and looked, Chinky was standing in front of him. A beautiful plate in her hand with Rakhi and Gattu's favorite sweet. Seeing which Gattu's eyes sparkled and a smile came on his face.
Chinky, did you remember? Hey, why will I remember? I did not forget only. This was just a surprise for my brother. Surprise? Yes, Gattu dear. Chinky included us also in her plan to surprise you. And that is why we all together were acting to forget the important day of Rakhi in front of you.
Yes. Look, we all did this drama just to see such a big smile on your face. Tell me, how did you like our surprise? Chinky tied the Rakhi to Gattu with great love and fed him sweets.
Now where is my gift? Gift? Which gift? I forgot to get the gift.
Hearing Gattu's words, Chinky got angry and went to sit in a corner. And then Gattu came out of his room with a gift for Chinky and gave the gift and said,
This is my surprise.
After this, everyone started laughing and had a great time together. And like this, Gattu Chinky celebrated the festival of Raksha Bandhan.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.